homemade chiles rellenos, an easy step-by-step recipe coming right up. Let me show you how to make them. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making chiles rellenos. This dish originates in Puebla, Mexico and has been prepared in many ways throughout the years. Today we're making a simple home-style version that's very popular in my family. For more delicious recipes, visit us at texmexathome.com. Now let's get started. Our ingredients for today are 2 poblano peppers and the prepared filling from our previous recipe. Today I'm showing you how to prepare poblano peppers for chiles rellenos. The more people you have, the more chiles you make. You can find the recipe for our filling here. Cooking your poblano peppers. Place the whole poblano pepper directly on a skillet or pan over medium heat. Turn them every 3 to 4 minutes until the skin is wrinkled, charred on all sides, and softened slightly. Now that our chiles are cooked, place them in a covered container and let them continue cooking on their own steam so the skin becomes looser. Let them steam for about 10 minutes. Chiles are cool. Gently peel off the skin all around. You don't have to remove every bit of skin, but make sure the burnt parts are gone. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, remember to like and subscribe so we can keep cooking together. Now we're going to create our pocket. The peppers can be delicate, so be gentle here. Grab a knife and make a small slit on one side. Use your fingers gently to remove the seeds and veins, but don't remove the stem. This helps keep the poblano whole. Let's fill our poblano peppers with our prepared filling. Gently close your peppers back up, keeping everything tucked inside. If you're having trouble keeping it closed, you can secure it with a toothpick. I bake it at 350 for 3 minutes and it's completely cooked. And there you have it, easy home-style chiles rellenos. You can serve them with rice, tortillas, or just like that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more Tex-Mex at home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Now, let's give it a try. Perfecto. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.